Back to my channel. Let's talk, ladies.
Girl, I got some bundles.
Make a brother sing, no ordinary thing, a supernatural.
Broke my ass. You put water on the floor, asshole. I don't know it.
Stop.
You want anima? You want anima? All right, sister.
Chivundo.
Going anywhere. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Noelle, and this video of course is about how to make your own wig, your own lace frontal wig. And it's not really much in depth a video. As you can see, I already have the closure on, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. And if you don't, if there's something that you don't understand or need questions with, don't be afraid to ask. So yeah, you guys, this is very easy, and you're gonna see in the next clip where I just go on to the other bundles. But I didn't realize my camera stopped recording. I apologize. And then, so as like I was saying, here it is. I'm on. I believe this is actually the last bundle, and I do the flip over method. The only time when I get really close to the frontal is when I start cutting. But I don't like to cut my weft because more shedding. But this video is this is actually the easiest wig that I've ever made so far. So it's pretty simple, you guys. It's easy. Do the flip over method. And being that I measured my my mannequin head, I can go on the elastic part, the elastic band on the dome cap, because it's not going to be tight for my head anymore. Before I actually put down newspapers and duct tape around my mannequin head, my wigs used to always come out seriously tight, where it was ridiculous. Making this wig, like I said, was the easiest thing to do. And I wish I would have, made sure that it was more of a video where, you can learn from. But this is not going to be my last bundles or anything like that. I'm waiting for somebody to sponsor a bitch. Okay? But, yeah. And I'm just measuring it. I actually used, I think I got 4 bundles. I don't quite remember if it was 3 or 4 bundles, because I like my hair full. Okay, so this is my last bundle that I'm putting in. So I'm attaching the last bundle with the frontal together. You understand? You understand? Like I said, if you don't really understand, because this is not a very detailed video, most definitely don't be afraid to ask. Yeah, that's about it. I came to the end, and I just have a little clip of how the whole wig turned out, but I most definitely have series, like I said, of me installing the wig and the Gus to be glue method and everything else. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next time. And please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, the whole shenanigans, and see you next time. Thank you.